Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best baton tape on the market, the SICCOMA Glitter Prism Tape. If you're into crafts, scrapbooking, or just want to add some dazzling sparkle to your projects, this tape could be a game changer for you. The SICCOMA Glitter Prism Tape comes in a vibrant set of 8 different colors, including royal blue, turquoise, green, silver, red, rose gold, pink, and light purple. Each roll is 0.6 inches wide and stretches out to 16.5 feet, giving you plenty of tape to work with for all your creative needs. What really sets this tape apart is its holographic sparkle. It's not just glitter stuck on the surface. The patterns are printed with high-quality ink, which means the colors stay bright and don't fade easily over time. This tape is made from durable cloth material, which adds a strong toughness you won't find with standard washi tapes. It's 0.19 mm thick, which gives it a nice weight and longevity without being bulky. Plus, the adhesive is impressively strong. It sticks well to a variety of surfaces but peels off cleanly without leaving any residue behind. This makes it perfect not just for decorating but also for packaging, photo frames, and other indoor uses where you want a tape that looks good and performs well. One of the nicest features is that it doesn't have backing paper, so you can cut it easily with scissors and get straight to your project without any fuss. The smooth surface of the tape adds to its premium feel, making it suitable for DIY crafts, wrapping gifts, or even jazzing up your notebooks and stationery. Whether you're an experienced crafter or someone who loves a bit of sparkle in everyday items, SICCOMA's Glitter Prism Tape offers a fun and functional way to personalize your space and projects. The mix of colors and holographic shine means it can work for holiday decorations, party setups, or just to brighten up your workspace. In summary, the SICCOMA Glitter Prism Tape stands out as the best baton tape for anyone looking for a durable, colorful, and eye-catching adhesive tape. Its strong adhesive, no residue removal, and vibrant holographic colors make it a versatile addition to your crafting toolkit. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like and subscribe for more product insights and honest reviews. See you next time.